Welcome to Sentiment University. This video is one in a series of videos demonstrating how to get the most out of using Sentiment. In this video, we will examine the various global settings you can enable within Sentiment. Be aware that you need to have permission to access these features. The Administrator tab within the user settings must be enabled. For more information on this, please click in the description box for links to the user settings video. Now, let's take a closer look at global settings within Sentiment. First, we have the Company Profile section. This allows you to modify your company profile. You can edit your company avatar, address, postal code, and so forth. You can also modify your operating hours by clicking the button at the bottom. If needed, you can also set a Closed for the Day option. These opening hours settings are used to calculate the business hours response time in the Performance Metrics section. To the left, we find Access Token options. First, we have Access Token TTL, or Time to Live. This controls how long a user session will remain active in Sentiment before they are forced to re-enter their username and password. Just below this is the Inactivity Timer setting. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will set the inactivity time to 2 hours. Let's say your user goes on an extended lunch or has a meeting to attend. After 2 hours, the user will automatically be locked out of Sentiment. Upon their return, they will have to enter their credentials to unlock the view and carry on working. This can be used as a security measure if the user works in a busy office with other users who should not be able to easily access this user's computer and send messages on Sentiment in the event that the agent forgets to lock their workstation. Next, we find the Users section. Simply put, this allows you to create, delete, and modify your users. For more information on how to do this, click on the link within the description box and watch the Users, Roles, and Teams video. Next is the Display section. This allows you to modify the various display-related options within the inbox. For a detailed description of these features, watch Part 2 of the inbox training, which can be found in the description box. Next is the User Status section. Statuses are used to monitor agent activity and are also used by our automatic routing and automations to control message assignment. You can create, modify, or even delete options. Further, you can track which statuses you want to consider in the Metrics section to count as available for the purpose of calculating replies per hour statistics. This is done by clicking Metrics Settings on the top of the screen and then selecting the appropriate status. Next is the Workspaces icon. This allows you to create, modify, and delete various workspaces within Sentiment. You can also give the workspace its own avatar and description if needed. Let's say, for example, you want to create a workspace for Spanish-speaking team members. You can create that workspace by clicking the Add Workspace button, naming the workspace, and clicking Save. Please be careful when deleting a workspace, as it will remove it and all of its associated data from Sentiment. Next, we find the Webhook icon. This is an advanced and customizable feature within Sentiment to export data to third-party systems. For more information on this, please visit www.sentiment.io or contact your Sentiment account manager. Finally, we find the Reports icon. This allows you to run a variety of reports within Sentiment. The reports generated will be sent to you via email. For more information on reports, click in the description box for the Reports video. And just like that, you have learned the global settings within Sentiment.